out something a little different today. I know I haven't done much bike-specific content. It's mostly been photography, but today we're gonna go rescue a motorcycle that has been sitting since 2006, so 16 years. We're gonna save it, bring it back to life, put it on the road so it can be enjoyed again.
Here's the Boo Bears.
This bike has a little bit of a story though, and the reason it's being saved is because it's one of my childhood best friend's bike. He actually inherited it from his father. His father passed away tragically last year, and he decided that he wanted to get his dad's bike running and ride it in his memory. Shit in my hand. What's up, boys? Not much. You ever got the tank on? Shit! Did you already throw that line on?
It's right here.
Oh, sick.
Snap it back in the monitor. Hold on before you do anything. I'm making sure we got everything all squared away on the tank for you.
What the fuck is that supposed to mean? Are you calling me retarded?
Bubba and Forrest.
Ouch.
Josh is Forrest and you're Bub.
I've been called a lot of things.
I don't know if it's, I don't know which is worse, to be honest with you.
I don't know either.
I thought he stopped riding it in 06.
Whatever the tag said.
Well, that's when they kept the registration up, but he stopped riding it then.
Yeah, just because he bought it then doesn't mean.
Oh, I got you. Yeah, he kept the registration and just sit there.
Yeah. All we need is that crossover vent. We can put fuel in.
I don't know if this is gonna...
No, it's tight.
You might have to trim a bunch of it off, Bub. Hold up.
So,
It actually looks like we need to trim a fucking mile of it, don't
yeah,
we?
that's what I thought.
It's not in a good spot.
Once you tighten it up, we can put gas in her, fire it up. Tightened up the tank on that rear bolt. You already tightened that down?
Yeah, it's, I mean, you can check it, but it's on there solid.
Yeah, she's good. No, you ain't.
Load her up. It's a
Fill her up, dude. Gotta get this bitch running.
Let's see. I wouldn't put it all in yet.
No, it's not that.
Yeah, just enough to try.
You want a funnel or you got her?
Let's see how much it's leaking. That thing's probably
Hopefully, I hope to God it doesn't fucking leak.
Fancy.
Crossover vent, nothing's leaking
That
there.
would be the first thing I'll leak is the crossover.
Yeah, because it's lowest
And then it's gonna take him a while to get.
to the petcock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any leakage in the city beach?
Wait for it to get back to the petcock. It should have already got back here.
I don't think it has. He's gotta have. Yeah, it's not on.
Pump's
Yeah.
working. Good. All right, Josh, you want to start her? It's on you.
Hey, wait a minute. Hold up. Is it in gear?
Now it's in gear. Now it's in neutral. Sync neutral light. We're good. Fire it up, buddy.
Hit that start button.
Yep. Hold up.
All right.
Yeah.
Fuel pump is trying to climb.
Give it, maybe throw it a little throttle.
Hold up.
I heard it.
Okay, get it start button. Hold up. I think it's still trying to get fuel to it.
Probably.
Go ahead.
That's fucking weird. Hey, Mike,
It might need more fuel, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw more fuel in
That
there.
ain't gonna, I mean,
I'm worried that
the injectors.
I'm worried about the injectors.
Maybe, maybe.
They might be gummed up
Paul
from
said it's
sitting.
hit and miss. Still showing gas.
Yeah, because the gas gauge isn't plugged in. Come on, dirty bitch.
Paul said when he comes in there, he goes, he goes, injectors could be dirty too. So
Where are those at?
In between the cylinders, in the very middle where the intake is.
like where the carburetor, basically the carburetor is.
So it's got spark, it's got air, it doesn't have fuel, which means probably the injectors are wrong. We had to replace the fuel pump and put all new fuel line, everything into it, because it's been sitting for a long time and there's a lot of rust and stuff that got into the fuel system. The only thing we did not replace was the fuel injectors, so that's what we're gonna inspect them and hopefully we can clean them, or we're gonna have to buy new ones. We pulled the injectors out and they were completely dry on the flow side, and you can see they're rusty, so we're pretty confident that these are completely clogged. We did find fuel in the fuel line that goes to the distribution block for the injectors. A bunch of fuel was in here, but obviously wasn't getting through.
I'll find out real quick, won't we?
All right, we put it all back together. Let's see.
Here's a starter, Steely.
Good job, hey! Here's the lighter. Give me one, give me one. Yeah.
Come on, Tony, you get first ride. This is pretty good.
Yeah.
Style, bro.
First time it's ran in 16 years. 1,700 original miles. She's dialed, old boy. Runs great. Runs so fucking good.
Brand new.
Dude, it runs like it's brand new.
It's because it is.
Yeah. All right. So, if you want, you can jump in the truck. You can drive over to this parking lot, or you can walk across over here. I'm just gonna pull around.
I'll walk.
Okay. Cool.
It's not far.
All right. This is the first time on a Harley. Ready to go. Let's go. Fire it up. And so a little bit of throttle and just ease out that clutch.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't feel right or it feels kind of clunky, just grab that clutch again. You're always gonna be safe if you grab the clutch.
Okay.
So just put around in first gear for now so you get a feel for it. Good. Good, good, good. Awesome. Do it again, but change gears. So clutch, shift up, or you can hit this down. It's a heel toe shifter. So heel, you can up or down.
Okay.
And then again, when you come to a stop, make sure to put it back into first gear.
All right.
Okay. Good job. Doing good, buddy. Oh shit, he's doing it. I'm so proud. Great job. Great job. Go ahead, pull out here and go down the road that's in front of Dad's.
Okay.
Get up to like fourth gear and come back right to the house and stop at the front of the driveway.
All right.
Make sure you're in first, right? Yep, you got it. My boy riding, dude. It's so cool to see him ride his dad's bike. Fucking so rad. So happy for him. This is a cool thing. This is a really fucking cool thing. He's riding so naturally well. He's never rode a clutch motorcycle before. Crazy, dude. He's doing so good. All right. We'll pour it back when he gets back. Hopefully he's gonna be okay. I'm gonna be honest, I'm really nervous right now. He's been gone a little while. Oh man. I'm watching down the road to see if he comes over the horizon. I don't see him. I just told him to go to 4th gear and come right back after that. I just wanted him to see what it was like at speed. That might have been too much too soon. Wait. No, it's not him. I think I saw him. Oh, fuck yeah, dude, let's go. Hell yeah! Dude, let's go. That's good. Your neutral light, anytime you're in neutral, it'll come on here. You can shut it off in gear.
Okay.
That's it. Turn your ignition off so you don't lose your battery.
Fucking felt good, man.
I bet it did, dude.
Yeah.
You did a good job. You're so naturally comfortable.
Yeah.
The riding Jake's bike definitely got you like mentally prepared.
Well, I've also did a lot of bikes when I was a kid too.
Sure. Well, even so, yeah, you look great. You're very, very comfortable on it.
Feels good, man.
Isn't it comfortable?
Went up to 65.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
It's good shit.
5th gear.
Yeah. We got no license, expired, or he has no license. We got expired tags, no registration, so I'm riding it to his house. We made it. She rode good, dude.
Nice.
Rode real good. Oh yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. Now the hard part is actually gonna be getting into the fucking garage from here. You got any space in this bad boy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'll let you pull her in. Do you want me to pull her in? You got her.
I'll get it.
Alrighty. Just turn off your ignition. Booze, stay close to mama. Good boy. Alright. It rode really good. We're gonna hit it.
Okay, wanna see my PC real quick?
What's that?
I'm gonna come see the PC real quick.
Actually, yeah, I do.